Alright, so it's full day band practice today, and you know, we're definitely gonna play some music, but we'll see how far we get. Here's what I'm interested in right here. Yeah, buddy, some of that chocolate milk. It gets better. So in other words, we're not getting shit done.
Welcome to another beautiful all-day band practice here at the Birds of Squalor, where we have our eggs hatching into beautiful music tonalities and gracious accompaniments for eargasms.
Hit your A.
So of course, all-day band practices aren't complete without a little bit of liquor because we're a drinking problem with a band. And one of the cool things that we decided to do today was get all the booze we can have for one day. So as you can see here, it's not complete without this. You got Svedka, you got some Fireball, you got some beers, you got some chalky milk. It's all there, baby. It's all there. It's how we do, BOS style. Would you imagine that? We're sitting here playing a bunch of Birds of Squalor music and a hawk shows up.
A literal bird of squalor shows up.
A literal bird. Uh-huh. Exactly what he's eyeballing.
Give us a little bit of context here, guys.
Context would be that I wrote this riff a long ass time ago. I had no idea what to do with it, and then beautiful Jamie wrote some shit to it that made some shit out of some shit.
Signs, but they're not mine. I've seen the place, I've lost my mind. I know it won't help to go until I find my own reason. Seeing things inside my head, they won't let me go until I understand it, until I embrace it.
Alright guys, Predator high five.
What?
Have you guys never seen Predator? Is that Thriller? That's Thriller.
Oh my
God. That was not right.
They've never even seen fucking Predator. Whatever is distracting you doesn't matter. We all know I don't like being in front of the camera. Where the fuck did everybody go?